Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to all of you to my traditional Turkish cooking show. And today's recipe is meatless raw meatball. This snack is a vegetarian. You can even say it's a vegan meal. 1 kilogram meatball, thin bulgur, 3 tablespoons of hot pepper paste, 3 spoon tomato paste, 1 large glass of olive oil, 1 spoon of cumin, 1 spoon of red hot chili peppers, 1 spoon of black pepper and half a spoon of salt, 5 spoons brunette and bitter isot pepper, half a glass of pomegranate syrup, 2 pieces of lemon, 7 tomatoes, 4 onions, 5 crushed garlic, a bunch of fresh onions, 1 vineyard parsley, raw meatballs mixing tray or tray with a special made serrated and rough surface for this job. Lettuce leaves and lemon required to be used while serving. Dumplings can avoid slipping by putting moist cloth under the mixing tray. Add 1 kilogram of fine bulgur. Cut tomatoes in half to grate. Peel the onions and grate. Use the thin portion of the grater. The onion water needs to come out. Do not use onion juice as it will give a better taste. Add crushed garlic. Peel the lemon, cut into 4 pieces and remove the kernels. Add 2 spoons of hot pepper paste, then 1 or 2 more spoons will be added. Add 2 scoops of tomato paste, then 2 more spoons of tomato paste according to the situation. A total of 4 spoons of tomato paste can be added. Grate tomatoes and wait until they are ready to use. Wash the onions and parsley in plenty of cold water. Add 5 spoons isot pepper into a deep container. Add 1 or 1.5 cups of olive oil. Add half a cup of pomegranate syrup. Add spices, cumin, black pepper, salt and chili pepper. Prepared mixture and shredded tomatoes will be added at intervals of 15 minutes. Important part, has a mixing time of 1 hour. Make a pre-mixing. Mix a few turns. Bulgur, spices, paste and lemon extract. Lemon shells as you mix them, or use lemon juice. I don't want to make this work easier. If this meal is traditionally done this way, I am doing it as well. There is a mixing time of at least 45 minutes, on average 1 hour. Stir in 15 minutes and add a little bit of the olive oil, hot pepper, and pomegranate syrup mixture, also a little grated tomato. One person can be hard to mix for 1 hour. This traditional food is made by chatting in crowded surroundings and even singing songs. You can help recipes to see and reach more people by liking videos. You can make this video popular by liking. Thanks to everyone who had supported me on this subject. 1. Chop the parsley finely and add finely chop and add green onions. Shall be ready to serve a bit of flavor when she mixes him for another 10 minutes. This is a snack that must be painful like Mexican dishes. According to the situation is added bitter tomato paste. Place the lettuce leaves on the plates. Squeeze your hands and shape the raw meatballs. Add 1 coat of lettuce and meatballs and add to the second layer. Pomegranate throat juice can be added to meatballs and served with lemon. Let me show you how this eats for those who want to try this meal, enjoy your meal. We have come to the end of a detailed video description prepared for you. Once again, thanks to everyone who watched videos and supported me. Goodbye, to see you again in a new recipe video. Allah Hafiz, fi amanallah, goodbye. Thank you so much.